Okay, this video is to show you how to clean the heads on the Vanguard. First step, you want to make sure that the tray is pulled forward. Then you are going to open the valves on all four heads. On this particular machine, I've marked them with green. Once those are turned 90 degrees, push the ink purge button and then shut them again. You want to hold that button for about 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, once those are closed, tool goes back there. I'm going to push this back. As you can see underneath there, that ink is welling up on the heads. Basically, you want to wipe that down until it's nice and clean, and you want to only go softly in one direction, never in both directions. You're going to fold the sheets right there. You want just wide enough to cover the head. They usually spray a little bit of the solvent, which is right next to it, on the sheet, on the rag. That way you make sure to kind of clean up any excess ink that's on there. Okay, once you've got those looking pretty good, I'm going to close that bottom pan again, and now we're going to do a test print. Paper's over here. You're going to align that. You want it along this line and along the bottom here. Then you're going to push the vacuum button. You got to make sure that the edges are down all the way around. Once that's done, you come over to the computer. You're going to click on operation and then nozzle test. And then you're going to click on auto detect. Sometimes it'll hang up while it's auto detecting. If it does that, just hit the button again. It does take a little bit of time. So I'm going to pause this for just a second while it does what it needs to do. Okay, once that's in place, you'll hear a little click. That means it's ready to go. So basically, you just click on Start Print. It's going to print a test pattern onto the page. So you can see it's fairly clean. The black does have some abrasions on the head, which is causing the missing ink you see there. But basically that is it for cleaning the heads.